Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the project, open Inshot, tap Photo, and choose New Project. Once done, pick your image and immediately set the aspect ratio, 16, 9 for video, 1 for social. Then import the audio, go to Music, choose Track, and select My Music. You do this now to lock timing and layout. By importing audio early, you can trim the picture and plan transitions around beats. Make sure the file format is MP3 or AAC, so Inshot accepts it without conversion. Next, you align the photo duration to the music. Drag the audio track under the photo layer, zoom the timeline for precision, and play to locate beats. Once found, use split on the audio and trim on the photo to snap visual changes to sonic hits. If the song is longer than the image duration, use freeze or adjust duration to extend the still image. This preserves resolution and avoids unwanted zoom. You do this to create intentional rhythm and keep viewers engaged. Finally, you polish and export. Add subtle animation like zoom or pan to introduce motion. Use the animation menu for presets. Adjust music volume and add fade in or fade out so audio feels natural. Set export to 1080p for sharp results. Export and review. If audio is off or distorted, reopen the project, retrim the clip, or convert the audio to a standard sample rate, often 44. 1K HZ, then re-import. This fixes most desync or playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.